Today we're going to talk about making coconut curry chicken and sweet potatoes. Okay, if you want to do this fast, then you take your individually frozen chicken tenders and you make like a puzzle, and it's one layer deep, and you can start like that. Also, you could cut them up into smaller pieces, bigger, maybe 1 inch by 1 inch chunks, and put them in there. Okay, but that's up to you. So I have my chicken in. Now I'm going to put in my red onion, half a red onion. I'm using the number 3 cone. Okay, so very fast. Okay, so get what's in there out. Spread out my onions. Okay, now we look at the sauce. I have 1 can of coconut cream. Now, if you can't find that in the stores, I don't know how that is nowadays, you can use coconut milk, okay? And now I add a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you like it spicy, you can go ahead and use more than the half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of salt and 2.5 teaspoons of curry, whether it's red curry, yellow curry, you decide. Okay, let me mix that up real quick. So, now that I have this mixture, usually I would like to pour the mixture over the onions and the chicken and then put in my vegetables, all right? So the vegetables will look vibrant and whatnot, but, you don't have to just do it that way. So we're going to do it another way. We're going to take some cauliflower. I've already chopped up the cauliflower. Okay. And then I have some green beans. Let me spread the cauliflower out. Here's the green beans. All right. I'll spread them out also. And then the last thing is I'll need the number 5 cone. Number 5 cone gives it a waffle cut. It makes it look prettier for presentation purposes. Tastes the same though. You really got to get a food processor if you don't have one of these, because it makes life so much simpler than cutting everything manually. Okay, I'll spread that out. Now, this time I'm using 3 different vegetables, but you know what? I like getting rid of the beans and the cauliflower and having a lot more sweet potato, but you can do whatever you want. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pour this mixture of coconut milk all over the top of the sweet potatoes. Let me scrape some of this out. You might come across a recipe that says 2 cans of coconut milk or coconut cream, but let me tell you, 1 can is more than adequate. All right, and there it is. Okay, I might even spread that out a little bit. And then I make sure my lips are clean. Lips of the EOC. Put the lid on, vapor valves down. I set it to 350, and when it clicks, I turn it down to 175, half of 350, which is low, and I do that for 30 minutes, and voila, you have a wonderful, so delicious tasting meal. And some people might even like to put some mango, fresh mango, or thawed out mango with it, because it gives a good flavor also. Also, put it over rice. You make rice, put that on a plate or in a bowl, put this over it, makes the meal go much further, and then you put the mango on top. And you're looking at a wonderful gourmet meal.